1. Unlock the secret to skyrocketing your efficiency. Ever wondered how to skyrocket your efficiency? The secret is the 80-20 principle. 2. Focus on the vital few. Just 20% of your efforts can yield 80% of your results. Identify what truly matters. 3. Impact over everything. Not all tasks are created equal. Prioritize what brings the most value. 4. Simplify to amplify. Cut out the unnecessary and focus on what truly contributes to your goals. 5. Cherish your top customers. Know who brings in the most revenue and give them the VIP treatment. 6. Solve problems smartly. Tackle the root causes, not just the symptoms, for effective problem solving. 7. Play to your strengths. Maximize your strengths and delegate the rest. 8. Stay adaptable. The 80-20 rule isn't set in stone. Keep evaluating to stay ahead. Click Learn More to unlock your full potential. Feel free to like, comment, share our channel for more motivational contents.